Hi everyone, it's About Cars here again with the announced gear oil exchange video for the Alfa Romeo MiTo. To remind you, this is an extraction of my previous drive shaft replacement video. If you haven't seen that, click on the pop-up banner in the corner to watch it. However, if you're here just for swapping your transmission oil, then this is the right video for you. So I'd say enjoy, and if you're new, hit like and subscribe. Okay, next thing I said I was gonna do is exchanging the gear oil, since we lost a bit of that in the process of removing the drive shaft from the differential. So the screw you're seeing right there is a 12mm hex. I got myself a 12mm socket hex that we can put onto our big wrench, and make sure if you open this screw that you'll get a new one for closing it, because that's a magnetic sealed screw. And just like with your oil pan, you don't have to, but you should use a new screw when draining your gear oil. Okay, our wishbone is in the way of that screw. It's not too good. Oh, we can go from up here. Okay, it doesn't work with a wrench because the space is too tiny. I found a 12mm hex that fits into this gap, but before I open that and drain the gearbox of oil, I'm searching for that nut, which is that one down here. You can see that right between your brake fluid and your battery. When you go under the hood, it will be right in between the gap you could look through. Now, in order to reach that, you could either try from up here, but that's practically impossible. You would have to go underneath your car with your tool at hand and try to reach that nut from under here. So I found out that the best way to reach that is from the other side of the gearbox. So that sits, and as soon as that sits, we can go ahead and open that. Jesus, that's tight. Wow, hasn't been open since it left the factory. For sure. Opens only with a very long arm or long wrench. Okay, that's off. All right, now that the top is open, we can go ahead and finally get this nut out of there. We hopefully have enough force left in our arms, because this one will only go with this tool and not with a wrench. Who put these screws in, man? Ow. There you go. What kind of person designs a car like this? It's not too complicated, right? Not too complicated. the fact that a wrench doesn't fit in the gap between the wishbone and that screw really is annoying. Okay, now same thing in reverse with our new screw. Put that in. This is seriously stupid to reach. Even if we would take this away, there's still a piece that is in our way. So we can just do the same thing that we did before in reverse. Nice. Okay, now that that's tight, all we need to do now is put the new oil in to the gearbox. For that I have here a old hookah hose and make sure it's clean. Use some brake cleaner to clean that hose up, and so that there's no dirt in your gearbox later. Might want to avoid that. Yeah, let's just go ahead and pour some oil in. You want to make sure that the oil is really going into the gearbox and not running down the side of it. And it says it's about 2 liters for this vehicle. But basically you can just say you fill it up until it starts coming out of your refill hole. And then you just stop and put the screw back in. Okay, nice. Gear oil change done. Okay, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If so, make sure you leave a like and subscribe if you're new to the channel. The best way to stay tuned for other car related stuff on my channel is to turn your notification bell on. However, once again, I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next one.